Hey everyone, so I'm just going to give you an update on today's video. So right now I am working on the truck and, or actually I should say about to be working on the truck. And you guys probably recall in the last video, if you haven't seen it, where we installed the lights. This is the way it looks like we're going to be working on the truck, at least for now. It does fit in here comfortably and enough room in the front to get in there and work, which is good. I was a little bit worried because this truck is fairly long with it being the crew cab. But anyways, with that out of the way, it does fit. But one thing I do want to do is you guys will notice that the garage is a little bit longer on this side, on the two-car side, and we have all of the lights lined up with each other, right? And we're losing a little bit of light here. So what I'm going to do is, in order to be able to see on what we're going to do, and I'm hoping I'm going to get the Pro Charger installed done this week. Yeah, that's it. I said it. I'm going to try and get it done this week. I'm going to be releasing a series of videos getting it done, but I'm hoping that I'm going to have it at least running and installed this weekend is the plan. Things might change, but that's the tentative plan right now. So what I'm gonna do is, today's video I just wanna update you guys, and what I'm gonna do is install a couple more lights, one here and one here, so that I can see inside there a little bit better, because it's a little bit dark right here for whatever reason. But I guess not whatever reason, it's just there's no lights in this specific area. So I'm gonna go here, plug it into that light, so we'll install one there, plug it in there, and install one here and plug it in there. So that's the plan. And as far as the first thing I'm gonna be doing, it's one of the most important ones. I'm gonna be pinning the crank. So I'll probably release that video tomorrow. I'm gonna try and get it out of the way. This is Omar's car, he's got it parked here right now. Mine's gonna be brought here this weekend. But this is the kit. I'll show you guys more on in the next video on how to exactly do it, but this is probably the scariest part of the Pro Charger install, where you have to put this little pin on the crank pulley. Reason being is the extra resistance that's going to be on the crank pulley from driving the supercharger. You need to put that pin in place in order not to spin the crank pulley on the crank and ruin your crankshaft and potentially the engine. So very important piece, but also very significant piece on installing that. But let me get these lights up here real quick, and I want to show you guys one more thing. Okay, so this is a huge improvement. I only ended up putting one up. We'll do the other one later. But this is far enough light now, and it's shining. You guys can probably see clear into the engine bay so that we can work in here no problem, see what the heck we're doing, and accomplish our goal of getting that supercharger in there. I also, you guys probably noticed I did spray down the bay just briefly, just to get rid of the dust and dirt so that we're clean to be working on stuff here. And one other thing before I end this video, guys, is I do have throttle bodies in stock right now. So I got a few more back, and just as a comparison, this is like an original one, an untouched original one. It's actually the one off of my truck with the higher mileage on it, but just for reference. And you can see this is the bored out one to 85 millimeters with the custom machined plate in there. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. It is a huge difference though. You can see the thickness of that material compared to there. It's a significant difference. And right on the other side, they take it as far as they can without compromising any rigidity. So I flip it over. You can see this is much thicker than here. So hopefully you guys can see that difference. But yeah, bigger plate, bored all the way straight through 85 millimeters. And it does make a difference. No tuning required. You guys just plug in and play it. I have a few more of these left. Looks like I have 3 of them right now and ready to ship, and I'll have more later. But if you guys are interested in that, shoot me an email and I'll get you guys hooked up. So these are okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give a thumbs up. I know it's just a quick update, but yeah, we're underway now. So now that we've got it situated, we've got a workspace, the truck is parked, the Jetta works. I'll talk about the Jetta in the next video just for fun. I know it's not that exciting of a car, but it's allowing us to do what we want to the truck because I can park the truck instead of daily driving it. So in that regards, the Jetta is kind of exciting accomplishment that it's finished. But as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.